Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start inside Google Classroom with your main dashboard visible. First, sign in using the account that owns or is enrolled in the class. This ensures you see archived items. Once done, open the left menu. On mobile, tap the three lines. On web, click the menu icon and choose Archived Classes. This step narrows the view to only archived courses, which is why it's essential. It prevents hunting through active classes and speeds recovery. Now find the specific archived class you want to restore. You can scroll or use the search box to save time. When you open the class, review the overview to make sure it's the correct one. Check the Classwork and People tabs so you know what will return once unarchived. Make sure you have appropriate permissions. You must be the class owner or co-teacher to unarchive. If everything matches, you're ready to change the class status back to active. To restore the class, open the three-dot menu or the settings gear and choose Unarchive or Restore. You'll be prompted to confirm, so go ahead. Once unarchived, posts, assignments, and people return to the active dashboard instantly. This is why confirmation matters. Make sure students see the class. If they don't, refresh or ask them to sign out and back in. If the action fails, clear your browser cache or try a different browser, and verify you're using the correct Google account.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.